Here you go, guys. This is how it came out. What you guys think? Not too bad for my first time. Like I said, I do have my flaws. Not perfect. Not perfect. You know, got some over here, over there. That's how the speaker covers looked, and there goes the 6x9. So they turned out. Oh yeah, VCOs baby, straight coming out of Las Vegas. Got a shout out to my boy Puka over there in San Diego representing. But let's get into the video. Welcome back to the channel. Here we go again. So we're going to do this in stages because I don't have all the material. I don't have the buffer yet. The other homeboys borrowed the buffer. So we're going to do this in stages. We're going to start doing wet sanding. I'm going to get as much as I can today on this video. Hopefully the whole passenger side. Knock that down. And then my next day off, I'll do the whole trunk, the roof. That'll be another one. And then the whole driver's side. I need to get this done by Wednesday, which will be, let me check. So this car needs to get done Wednesday, May 21st. Alright. So crunch time. Knock this shit out. See how far I get today. Let's get the video started. Get nice and level. Set your ass back. Alright, so we're going to start from the door jamb this way. These are the grits I'm going to be using. 1,000, 1,500, and 2,000 wet sand. So right now let's do the 1,000, the whole quarter panel. And then I'll jump to the 15 and then to 2,000. So hopefully today I'll have this whole side done, this whole quarter panel done. And then if I have a little more time, I'll move on to the door. All right, get yourself some soapy water. Need nothing new. I like to pre-soak my sandpaper. Get nice and soft. Chew in there. Yeah, we'll do one. Because I'm going to cut it up, of course. Texas. And all you're doing is just to get it dull. Alright, so as you can see right here, that's the 1000. That's what you want. You want that hazy look so that you know you already hit it. Knock all the shine off. So don't go too heavy, because then you're gonna burn through your clear coat, and you have to re-clear coat the bitch again. Or if you go too heavy on the clear coat, you're gonna burn through your paint, and you're gonna start all over. Repaint it and then re-clear it. So just, you know, be mindful of that. Watch what you're doing. Dry with a towel, then you'll see your progress. So I'm gonna get into it and probably go fast mode. So you can see it dried. So I need to hit this. Still glossy. This is still glossy. Some few spots, but it's okay. Need to knock this edge right here with a tape line where I cleared the top and the bottom. But yeah, it's going good. It's going good. Alright, so I'm going to cut you guys off. I'm going to finish this so I don't kill my battery. And I'll cut you guys back on when I finish this and the skirt. Here you guys go. The whole quarter panel up to here. That way done. This. I do have a little shiny spots, but that's the edge. Just trying to be careful. I don't want to burn through the clear top of the candy. Got a little spot here. Need to finish. Spot here. Skirt. So next, the door. I'm not gonna take none of this off. I just, you know, like I said, I'll treat it as an edge. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. But yeah, it's coming out good. As long as it has a door and the fender today, solid. When you hear that rough sound, I don't know if you can hear it, but got the trickle. So when it gets smooth, like here you don't hear nothing, but up here is when you start setting that orange peel. I already got this whole bottom panel off camera because because it's taking me a long time. I do have to do the bottom of it, but I'm going to do this whole top with you guys. Yeah, it's a long, fucking tedious job. But like I said, stay away from the corners. I mean, from the edges. So from the edges, these edges, because if you go too hard, you're going to burn them. You don't want to do that. Because then you're going to start from the beginning. Right now I'm just trying to be careful. I can just tell you, but until you do it, then that's when you figure out. It's perfect. Yeah. It's all by feeling. Nice and smooth. I think I hit it right here. But everything else is coming out smooth. Just take your time. Rub your hand. Like this. It's not sticky no more. Like right here. But yeah, feeling good. Always add some more water so it won't be dry. You can just feel the smoothness, and then you'll feel the clear coat that you haven't sanded. Your fingers will get stuck to it, like right here and here. This part and this part. All this up here. These sides right here. So it's nice and smooth. So let's knock this out. Now, we'll wipe it off and we'll see what we get. Oh, wrong towel. Might just go on and skip this part in the bottom and just do this fender. Because I do have a lot of orange peel on the fender. In this real tight area, so it's looking good. Smooth. This is all smooth till right here. Fucking bug. But to right, I got a little spot right here, and then from here, that's what needs to get sanded. And then all this is nice and smooth. So all this right here is just ready to go for the 1500. Besides this and the bottom. So what I'm gonna do off camera is hit the fender. I want to knock that out tonight, and at least to here, because it's close to the fucking wall. But yeah, knock this out. Tomorrow with some other stuff. We'll be back. All right, so I'm back from the store. I'm not doing that, but and it takes forever to do the hand sanding. So I went back to Harbor Freight, picked up 1,000, 1,500, and a 2,000. This 1,500 film, I don't know. It feels like nothing. Have you guys ever used this on wet sanding? I don't trust it. We'll give it a try. It's real fine. I don't know. Like, it feels like nothing. But we'll see what it does. But I'll go off with the 1,000 grit. Let me know in the comments below if you guys ever use this to wet sand. 1,500 the film. because it's films. I don't know. But yeah, let's get back into it. this video. Been at it all day. I hit the whole car with the 1,000. I didn't use that 15,000, the Harbor Freight bullshit. Where's it at? This one, this blue pad, is garbage. Don't even buy it. So I went straight with the 1,000 and then the 2,000. The 2,000 works pretty good. I did finish doing the whole car with the 1,000, and then the trunk. I did the trunk with the 1,000, and then I said fuck it. I hit it with the 2,000, and it came out pretty dope. So there's gonna be a part 2 or 3 videos of this one because this is a big ass car and it's taking me forever. Like I said, I'm doing everything by myself with no help. Hope you guys like it. But yeah, let me show you guys the progress on the trunk. But the trunk came out dope. Alright, that's with the 2,000. So this is hit with 2,000, and the trunk lid's hit with 2,000. That side's not hit yet. With nothing. See if you can see a reflection on the light. You can see it right there. Right there. Over there. But yeah, big car, big trunk. It's taking forever, but gotta stay motivated. I hope you guys enjoy this one. And I'm done today. I'm beat. So come back for the next one. It will be part 2. Peace.